Have you ever wondered about the end of the universe? What might it look like? The idea of the universe's finale, its grand closing act, has long been a source of fascination. We humans, after all, are curious creatures, always peering over the horizon, always asking what if. Now, when we talk about the end of the universe, it's not just a single theory we're discussing. There are numerous hypotheses, each more intriguing than the last. But today we're going to delve into one particular theory that has seized the imaginations of astrophysicists and laymen alike. This theory is known as the Big Rip. It's a concept that sounds like it's torn straight from the pages of a science fiction novel, but it's a legitimate scientific proposition. It's a theory that involves galaxies flying apart faster than light, leading to the dissolution of space-time. So, what exactly is this Big Rip? The Big Rip is a hypothetical cosmic event. But what does it entail? Well, to begin with, let's imagine the universe as a colossal fabric, endlessly stretching. The force behind this relentless expansion is what scientists call dark energy. Now, the Big Rip theory revolves around this elusive dark energy. Dark energy is like the phantom of the universe. It's pervasive, yet we barely understand it. It's a sort of anti-gravity, pushing galaxies apart and causing the universe to expand at an accelerating rate. But here's the catch. In the Big Rip scenario, this dark energy doesn't just keep the expansion going, it supercharges it. Imagine this. Galaxies, once bound by gravity, start to drift apart, moving faster and faster until they're zooming away from each other faster than light. This is where the term Big Rip comes into play. The expansion becomes so explosive that it tears the very fabric of space-time itself. It's like pulling a thread from a piece of cloth. First, the galaxies would separate, then the stars, until even atoms themselves are ripped apart. In the end, there would be nothing left but shreds of what was once the universe. A grim picture, isn't it? However, before we get too carried away, it's important to stress that the Big Rip is purely hypothetical. If it were to occur, it's estimated to happen hundreds of billions of years from now. So it's not something we need to worry about in our lifetime or even in the lifetime of our species. Yet many physicists are skeptical about this outcome. Let's delve into why. Despite its intriguing nature, the Big Rip theory has its fair share of skeptics. It's a concept that, while fascinating, doesn't quite slot neatly into our current understanding of the physical universe. Most physicists cast a shadow of doubt over this outcome, primarily due to uncertainties in how it aligns with known laws of physics. It's as if we're trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. The current measurements we have point towards a cosmological constant. Now, this is a term you might recall from Einstein's field equations in general relativity. It's a value that, if non-zero, contributes to a theoretical value of vacuum energy in space. This is where dark energy comes into play, the mysterious force that's supposedly causing the universe's accelerated expansion. Yet, some physicists are exploring the idea that new physics may explain the appearance of phantom energy. This would be a type of dark energy that increases over time, leading to an eventual Big Rip. But let's not forget, these are theories, and as with all theories, they are subject to debate and constant scrutiny. So, can we do anything to prevent the Big Rip, if it is indeed a likely scenario? If the Big Rip is a potential future for our universe, is there anything we can do to stop it? This question has perplexed many scientists, yet the current consensus is that we simply can't. Why? The primary reason is our limited understanding and control over cosmic forces, specifically dark energy. Dark energy, the mysterious force driving the universe's accelerated expansion, is the main actor in the Big Rip scenario. Despite our advanced technology and scientific knowledge, we remain largely in the dark about this enigmatic entity. Our grasp on it is like trying to catch smoke with bare hands, just as elusive and intangible. We know it's there, we see its effects, but we can't manipulate it, let alone neutralize its influence. We are but passengers on this cosmic journey, observing and studying the universe's unfathomable mysteries as they unfold. This doesn't mean we stop, though. We continue to probe, to question, to explore. While the Big Rip is a fascinating theory, it's just one of many possibilities for the end of the universe. The quest to understand our universe's fate continues. So, what have we learned about the Big Rip? It's a theoretical event where our universe could tear itself apart due to the enigmatic dark energy. Dark energy's nature is a riddle yet to be solved, with theories ranging from a cosmological constant to phantom energy. This event, while fascinating, is met with skepticism due to its alignment with known physics laws. And if it were to occur, we're looking at a timeline hundreds of billions of years from now. Unfortunately, our current understanding suggests we can't prevent it. We hope you enjoyed this journey into one of the most fascinating and mysterious aspects of our universe. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to stay updated on more exciting cosmic theories.